Let's solve this question. Lead code question number 141. Linked list cycle. This question is about if this linked list contains a cycle or not. Here, look at this: 3, 2, 0, 4, 4. Next becomes 2. So there's a cycle. Here also there is a cycle, and here only 1 is there. So there is no cycle. So false. So let's find this. Let's initialize a set to check if they are already present in the linked list or not. And there is 3 edge cases. First one is if not head or sorry, should be here or next is none. What happens? Sorry, this one return false, because if there is no linked list or only 1 is present, so it obviously becomes false. There is no loop possible. So the next edge condition is if next equal to head return true. This is this case. For example, if there is 1 head, then it instead of 2, here what happens in this edge case, 1 to 1. So to solve this edge case, we have to write this condition. Then let's take current as head, while let's take a flag. No need to take a flag. Let's write directly while current is not none. Instead of can write while current yes is already present, and return true, else we can add it to the set. Let's start and current, we can append move to the next element. Then return false. There is no return, you should return false. Let's check something is, if something is wrong, we can check this out. Test cases, critical for part. Let's submit the solution. I hope you understand. If anything is there, please comment it. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe and like and comment. I'm just here to help you and help me also. So thank you.